Fergie's horrible hiccups. Music video. Hello, Sweetwood! We have a great song for you today. 1, 2, 3. Now we're the tree trunk to bring the funk, and we've got something to say. Listen up when you're supposed to be welcome, but your hiccups not stop, and don't ever let it ruin your day. No, no. Just boogie on over to Vida the Vet, cause when you really need help, help's what you get. She's got ideas to try to make hiccups say bye, but it doesn't always happen that way. When you have the hiccups, you hiccup and you hiccup, cause sometimes the hiccups, they don't stop, but you don't give up. No, you show up and you go up on stage, even if those hiccups aren't gone. The hiccups won't leave you, but your friends still need you, and the show, it must go on. So when you have the hiccups, just go with it. Rock out to the rhythm and just flow with it. Don't let them trip you up, let them make you hot. Yeah, you got a little hiccup, but you don't stop. Say hiccup, hiccup, hiccup.
It's a hiccup bop.
When you have the hiccups, you hiccup and you hiccup, but a little hiccup can't make you stop.
Watch full episodes of Vida the Vet, now streaming on YouTube.
Juno's long-lasting cast. Music video. Cast off now? Not yet, Juno. You know I'm here to help, that's just what I do. But there's a few more animals still in front of you. So be patient, patient. When there is someone else to treat, we need you to take a seat and be patient. Oh, okay. How? You can read a book. All done. You can play a game. I won. Draw a picture. Take it slow. Look, I draw me. Now we go. Be patient. Patient. When there is someone else to treat, we need you to take a seat and be patient. You're right here on the list, so if you could just resist, it really would be great to see you sit and wait somewhere, some way, somehow. Cast off now? Oh, please, be patient. Okay.
Watch full episodes of Vida the Vet, now streaming on YouTube.
Kipp's Dizzy Mystery Music Video. If you're spinning and you fall to the ground, or ride a ride like a merry-go-round, or drive around in the back of a car, then suddenly you feel bizarre. Oh. You got the dizzy blues. Dizzy blues. Uh-oh. Makes your tummy feel swooze. Dizzy blues. Oh no. Yeah, you got the woozy swoozy motion, sicky feeling, icky dizzy blues, and that's bad news. But don't worry, you don't have to worry. You just gotta stop and rest. Yes. Stop moving, sit down and stop moving. Then take some really deep breaths. Then no more dizzy blues. Dizzy blues, bye-bye. And no more tummy swooze. Tummy swooze, bye-bye. Say so long to the woozy, swoozy motion, sicky feeling, icky, dizzy blues. Now that's good news.
Watch full episodes of Vida the Vet, now streaming on YouTube.
Otto's fancy friend music video. Are you okay, Otto?
I'm just nervous. This is a big change.
I know, but it's okay. Everyone changes as they grow, 'cause like the cloud shapes in the sky, we all change as time goes by. It's normal and it's healthy too, and on the inside, you're always you. You start as a baby cub or pup, then you get bigger, yeah, you grow up. You lose your teeth or grow new fur, but you'll always be who you always were. started changing, but she's not done. Her body knows just what to do.
Sylvie, I'm so proud of you.
Like the cloud shapes in the sky, we all change as time goes by. It's normal and it's healthy too.
Yeah, on the inside, you're always you.
Watch full episodes of Vida the Vet, now streaming on YouTube.
Fergie's favorite things. Music video.
Well, it's apple season, so I'm going to my favorite orchard to pick my favorite fruit. Apples! Wanna come with?
Oh, we'd love to, Fergie, but...
Our Granny Smiths make a pie so delicious. Macintosh Gala and Fuji nutritious. Apples, oh I love to eat 'em. Apple picking time is my favorite season. Warm apple muffins with smooth apple butter. Applesauce, apple juice, my heart's a flutter. Apples, oh how I love to eat 'em. Apple picking time is my favorite season. Apples, they smell, look, and taste so sweetly. Apples, they make my life feel so completely. Apples, oh how I love to eat 'em. Bite 'em, they crunch, they're so fun to munch. They make me wanna sing. Apples are perfect, they're my favorite thing.
Watch full episodes of Vida the Vet, now streaming on YouTube.
Zigzag's Snail Service. Music video. Zigzag, I know you like to do things by yourself, and so do I. But we can't do everything on our own. Popcorn helps me.
And Vida helps me a lot. And I mean a lot.
When there's something I can't lift, 'cause I'm too small.
Or something I can't reach, 'cause I'm not tall. Or something I can't see, 'cause I can hardly see it all.
Yeah! I could use a helping hand.
And
We are always here to help.
yeah, just say when.
Then if you need more help, just ask again.
I really want to bring this carrot bread to my friends. I could use a helping hand.
You got it!
It could also be a helping paw or a helping wing.
It could even be a helping claw.
And with my helping handle, you can do anything.
You can do anything, anything.
I could use a helping hand
Sometimes I could use a helping hand.
Watch full episodes of Vida the Vet, now streaming on YouTube.
Zigzags to do troubles. Music video. So every time you start a task, before it's done, you start to ask, what task is next? There are so many. You start them all, don't finish any.
Hey, is that a lucky penny?
Looks like you got the hops.
That sounds like you.
But you can't stop the hops.
Here's what you do.
Make a list of what to do, then start with one.
Don't start a few.
Cross the tasks off one by one, and when they're all crossed off, you're done.
Hey, that even sounds like fun.
So when you got the hops,
You know I do.
you can stop the hops.
Ooh. You tell them toodaloo. When you stop the hops. Yeah!
Watch full episodes of Vida the Vet, now streaming on YouTube.
Koa Nails It. Music video. We need to take care of our nails. They're important like teeth, hair, and tails. They keep growing just like you. So there are two things we gotta do. Just a little clip, clip when our nails get too long. Just a little clip, clip helps our nails stay strong. For shiny, healthy nails on our fingers and toes. Wash them when they're dirty and clip them when they grow.
That's it? Wow! You know what? Clipping nails doesn't hurt one bit. Woo! no reason to be scared of it.
Just a little clip, clip, when our nails get too long. Just a little clip, clip, helps our nails stay strong. For shiny, healthy nails on our fingers and toes. Wash them when they're dirty.
And clip them when they grow.
Oh.
Yes,
My nails are beautiful.
Watch full episodes of Vida the Vet, now streaming on YouTube.
Popcorn spooky surprise music video. When you're going someplace new for the very first time and worrying that you're about to have the worst time, there's probably a few important things you'd like to know. So come up with some questions and make sure before you go to ask away.
Huh?
Ask away.
Ask what?
Anything that might be on your mind.
Oh!
If you notice that you're nervous, do yourself a service, ask away. You'll feel better if you do.
Ask away, huh? Well, I'll give it a try. Are mazes fun?
I love them.
Just this one?
I love them. Inside or up above, and they're a hoot and a half, like a scoot giraffe.
Is it dangerous?
No way, sir.
And made of corn?
And hey, sir.
Can I borrow your
Eraser, I'm way less scared, cause I feel prepared.
ask away?
Is it dark in there?
No.
Ask away.
Is there a shark in there?
No.
Ask anything that might be on your mind.
Should I have pizza for lunch?
I don't know.
If your concerns are pressing,
They must be worth expressing.
so don't just stand there guessing, as they say. Don't delay. Ask away.
Watch full episodes of Vida the Vet, now streaming on YouTube.
Sweetwood's Itchy Scratchies music video.
But why did you stop us from jumping in the leaves?
Because these leaves are poison ivy, and if you touch them, you'll get the itchy scratchies. So, when you see these leaves of 3, let them be. Let them be. If you touch them, it'll be so itchy. So itchy. When plants give you itchy scratchies, please don't rub your red rashies.
Or you could get even itchier. Let 'em be.
Let 'em be. When your friend is red and bumpy,
Feed them tea?
no, let 'em be.
You don't wanna get their rashy.
Let 'em be. Let 'em be. If you've got the rash already, use some ice or frozen veggies. And when you see poison ivy,
Or lots of poison ivies.
let 'em be. Let 'em be. Let 'em be. Let 'em be.
Watch full episodes of Vida the Vet, now streaming on YouTube.